Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy M17 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with finding and opening the settings. And here you need to scroll down and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again and go to more security settings. And here scroll down to find install unknown apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course you can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download something from Chrome. I need to find it in the list and tap on the switcher. And from now on the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on this switcher again, and now the Chrome in my case is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.